Hey everyone! In this video you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Let's go!
Hello, my name is Rose. I'm 55 years old, and today I decided to go shopping. The sales are on, and it's the perfect time to buy some new clothes. When I entered the shopping center, the first thing I saw was a large map on the wall. It showed all the shops in the building, clothing stores, shoe shops, and even a food court and cinema. This place has everything. I thought to myself. The mall was busy, with people everywhere, excited for the big discounts. I made a plan to visit a few shops for different types of clothing. Casual wear, smart clothes for a special dinner, some accessories, and shoes. Let's see if I can find everything I need today. I started in a shop that sold casual clothes. The shelves were full of jeans, t-shirts, jumpers, and jackets. I spotted a lovely grey jumper, soft and warm, and decided to try it on with a pair of skinny jeans. I took the clothes to the changing room and tried them on. The jeans fit perfectly, and the jumper was just right. I also grabbed a hoodie for colder days and a pair of trainers because mine were getting old. They were on sale for 30% off, so I couldn't say no. At the counter, the cashier asked, "How would you like to pay?" "Card, please," I replied, handing over my credit card. She smiled and said, "Would you like a paper receipt or an email receipt?" I asked for the email receipt, and in a few seconds, I was all finished. I felt happy with my purchases. I could already imagine wearing the jumper and the jeans for a relaxed weekend at home. But I was just getting started. Next, I moved on to a shop that sold more formal clothes. The mannequins in the window were dressed in dresses, blazers, skirts, and smart trousers. I needed something nice for an upcoming family meal, so I picked out a black dress. It was simple, yet elegant, and would be perfect for the occasion. I also found a long red coat that looked perfect for chilly evenings. When I tried the dress on, it was a bit tight. "Do you have a bigger size?" I asked a sales assistant. She quickly found the size I needed, and this one fit perfectly. The red coat was just right too. I loved the soft material and the way it felt when I put it on. I knew I'd be warm in it through the winter. At the counter, I asked, "Do you accept cash?" "Yes, of course," the cashier replied. I paid with cash this time, which was nice because it felt easier than using my card. It was a quick transaction, and I left the shop with my new dress and coat, ready to look stylish at the family dinner. After shopping for a couple of hours, I was feeling a bit tired and hungry. I made my way to the food court and found a small cafe. I ordered a cup of tea and a slice of chocolate cake. It was a lovely, quiet moment. I sat at a table by the window and looked around at the other shoppers, all carrying bags and chatting with friends and family. I took a little break to check my shopping bags and see what I had bought so far: jeans, jumpers, a coat, and a dress. I thought, not bad. But there's still so much to do today. I needed accessories, shoes, and maybe one or two more items for everyday wear. After my break, I went to look for accessories. I spotted a beautiful handbag that would match my new coat perfectly. It was black with a gold clasp. The leather felt soft and smooth. I also found some shiny earrings that would look great with my dress. I couldn't resist getting a chunky bracelet as well. It was simple but elegant and would go with almost everything I bought today. Next, I made my way to a shoe shop. There were boots, heels, and flats everywhere. I tried on a pair of black ankle boots. They were comfortable and stylish, so I decided to buy them. The boots were perfect for winter, and I knew they would keep my feet warm and dry. The cashier asked, "Would you like to pay with your phone?" "Pay with my phone?" I asked. "Yes, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay," she explained. I decided to give it a try, and it worked perfectly. It was so convenient and quick. By the end of the day, I was heading towards the exit when I heard someone shout my name. I turned around and saw my old friend, Stephen. He looked absolutely hilarious. He was wearing bright orange trousers, a purple jacket, and a green hat. "Stephen, you look amazing." "Thank you," he said, posing like a model. "What are you doing here?" "Shopping, of course," I replied. "And you?" "Just looking for more colorful clothes," he joked. We chatted for a while, catching up and laughing about old memories. By the time I got home, it was already dark. I was tired but very happy. My wardrobe was full of new clothes, casual jeans and jumpers, a formal dress, a warm coat, stylish boots, shiny accessories, and a new handbag. Shopping in the sales is hard work, but it's also so much fun. I'm glad I found everything I needed, and seeing Stephen was the perfect way to end my day. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you've been shopping recently, tell me about your best finds in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you've been buying. Happy shopping and learning!
Useful vocabulary. Places and shops. Shopping center. Mall. Shop. Store. Clothing store. Shoe shop. Food court. Cashier. Clothes and accessories. Casual clothes. Smart clothes. Formal clothes. Jeans. Jumper. Sweater. Hoodie. Trainers. Sneakers. Dress. Blazer. Skirt. Trousers. Pants. Coat. Ankle boots. Handbag. Purse. Earrings. Bracelet. Shopping actions and phrases. Try on. Fit. Bigger size. On sale. Discount. Changing room. Fitting room. At the till. At the counter. How would you like to pay? Do you accept cash? Would you like a receipt? Paper receipt. Email receipt. Pay with a card. Pay with your phone. After shopping. Take a break. Have a cup of tea. Slice of cake. Look around.